Hi guys, today na nabili si ate. Kami lang duha mga unsa ice cream. Right, Bea? Ay, may muso, Doris. Nangilak si Bea kay dili daw siya kuyugon. So today, hindi ko ani mama gi-feel better para makakaon na ice cream. Cookie nam nam. I want to eat. No. No. Yeah. Oh no. Oh wait. No. No. Yeah. No. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. This is mine now.
Okay, kami sad?
Yes.
Don't you change that?
No, because he just put it in the box. Someone.
You can't kitchen it with this off. Put it away, then this too.
Yes. Ma. Fixing it.
And now, guys, gatan sa akong ate.
Ay, gatag ni Bea. Sikat woman.
Si Mr. Cathy Woman.
I see the puppet with the people.
You already get to see the puppet at the people.
Sugis ginanday ko sa pusasiyo. Pusasiyo lagi. White away. I guess you white away na. This is so good. This stuff. Ah. Uy! Anoy! No. Some water. Okay. Like some water for you. Okay. Guys, maurot ba ni Bea? O niya, pakitaan ako sa Bea. Sabay guys. Sabay. Nag-eskwela na si Bea in her first day of school. Ready? Bulingit. Sige. Bye guys. Bye.